one or both are causing problems right now.
I feel like it's that top one that we replaced.
That's what I'd start with. Because like I said, we knew it was bigger.
Think we should pull it out completely?
That's what I was going to do. Tried to do. When we lock out of it.
Yeah. Capillary action, I'll tell you.
Well, you don't want to come out. Remember, I put the cover on it to line it too, but that's not necessarily. We didn't have to crank on it when I did it. What are you sucking on down there? You eating your paws or what? You like the taste of my floor? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, I see that down there. Need to get in trouble. That nice machine surface that we used to have, remember that? That came right out of there, easy. Easy.
What if we try to fit it up right now without that dowel pin?
That's exactly what I'm going to do. Try to see if the problem is this one down here. If it is, we'll try to take that one out, put that one back, and see which one is the problem. Once I know which one the problem is, I can modify the hole a little bit. See, that does not go down either.
Really?
So I need to figure out which way it's off. Give me a felt tip there behind you. Red one, green one, yellow one, orange one, right there on top. Toward me. Pick one. Perfect. Orange. Favorite color. So we're going to mark it. It appears to be marked all the way around. Mark in there. Should be down all the way. Put the cam back in so I can use it to get the cover off. A lot of tension. You eat on over there.
Nowhere.
It's top edge.
Top.
Eating off. Come on the camera, you see. See where it's all missing?
Oh yeah.
It was red. Everything else is good.
So it's too high then.
And that's on this side like this. Needs to go that direction. Or this needs to be filed down a little bit. Let it go that direction.
I say file it.
Because beating on it doesn't really help too much.
No.
So we have our file with our flat surface on it, which should allow us to not screw up things too bad. Try to keep some of the residue where it belongs. It's really hard to file a surface like this.
What if we pull it and then file it?
It's still pretty hard to deal. What's going on over there?
Licking his lips.
Something. Alright, see what it looks like now. You notice how the file didn't screw up your gasket surface?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of as we were going at it, and I was like, I think he knows what he's doing.
Not really.
Not really. Let's hope that that worked.
It will eventually. It's not exactly how I like doing things, but
Custom.
yeah, it is that. Put those grill over the place easy. So when you get it right, the cover should just fall right on.
Almost.
Quite. Cover it all like that.
Same spot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, mainly on the top.
What if you ream that hole out? That'll just mess things up.
I was thinking about that too a little bit, but it looks to be more like an angle issue than anything. It's like the dowel pin's at a different angle, or
That's what I'm saying. So
the
it's
crank
like,
is a different angle to what the cases are, which shouldn't be, but
I feel like it's dowel pins.
it's definitely got some issues with it.
But how the dowel pins are mainly used just for alignment, right?
That's what they're on there for, yeah. That is their job. So 1/4 inch. Okay, go over here.
Oops, sorry.
Good in your way. You did that on purpose. I saw it.
I didn't mean to scare you.
I saw that. Attacking that poor innocent dog. So we have over and under reamers. One thou over. Hand reamer. Do it by hand. It's not something you want to do with power tools. Guarantee you that. Okay, so we need to go that direction.
Might as well do the other hole too while we're at it. So when we put the other dowel pin, we don't have to worry about it.
Assuming that's the direction it wants to go.
Yeah.
This one wanted to be to the rear.
I mean, that hole looks oblong anyways.
Yes, it does look like it's all eaten up because it was all eaten up. That's why we had to fix it.
You see the wear marks on the inside from the new dowel.
I need my flashlight to really see it, but here's what it is. You can see where I just reamed this one here a little bit.
Yeah. So, yeah.
See, I didn't touch it hardly at all over here.
Mm-hmm.
All the cutting was on the forward backside there. And this one here, I can't really see in the light which way it needs to go. This one pretty much goes in there already because it's oval.
Big. Yeah.
Knocked out a little bit. I just made it round. I didn't go in any particular direction. We'll wait to modify that one until we know which way we need to go. I think most of the binding is down the bottom. How'd that come from?
Right here on the side.
No. Protective layer, Joe. It will be anyway.
His shift is over, I think. Ready to go.
Yeah.
Almost.
No.
Still gapped out.
Same spot. It's higher here than here, so it's at a slight angle. It won't go down if you make it that direction. So only got one dowel, so it should be good and nice and even all the way on.
Yeah.
Until it goes on nice and even, it's going to be binding. Right now I can't even move it. There's a lot of drag on that.
Same spot.
Mm-hmm. Yep. See all the chips on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just it's top of the dowel pin's heavily hitting. especially more on the top, like at this angle right here is where it's really hitting heavy. But it does go all the way down the bottom there. So you come over and look at the video picture and see where it's at.
Yeah.
See a heavy mark right through there?
Yep.
That's where it's heaviest. It still rubs all here, but it's light down here. The heavy part is here. So that's where most of the work needs to be done. That'll be the same thing on that hole there when you look at it. So we're going to go back and work this over a little bit. Ream our head over there. Right here at this angle is where most of the impact mark is at. So you put it in,
Slight little
push
angle.
down here toward me a little bit. Keep rolling around. This is why I did not seal this up. All this can be cleaned right now.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. My non-micro cloth is getting
I wanted to get eaten.
indented. Yeah, I was getting eaten on. Alright, so
Moment of truth.
I did quite a bit of moving material there. We still don't have a dowel here yet. I went down a little bit deeper that time.
Not as much effort to get it out.
Yeah, we're going the right direction.
Mm-hmm.
It's not good, but it's right direction.
Maybe ream it one more time.
I need to mark it. This time I'm going to mark the inside of this hole so I know exactly where it's hitting here. We know it's getting better, but there's probably one or two high spots someplace that it's still contacting. So this is not the stuff you really want to be doing. Gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. This was not in the factory service manual. Probably for a reason.
I feel like other places would just slap it together and not really even be mindful of that.
And that's why the motors come back broken. 'Cause I'll guarantee that would not have lived more than about 50 miles before it ate that thing to pieces. And I've seen lots of motors with less than 20 miles on them that have been bad like this.
It's getting a little better.
Oh yeah, it's a lot better. We're not even tight yet either. We're just laying on there. I can move it relatively easily.